Time to get your snacking on because the April snack box is here today, you guys. We're gonna do a full unboxing and check out all of the snacks inside of the balanced snack box. So today we're gonna be opening up the original snacking box, which has a variety of snacks inside of it. All still healthy, all still very balanced for our lives. But you could also go with the all vegan box, and then there is additionally an all gluten-free box. So you can pick whichever one works best for you. So that will all be available at that link that I have posted down below. There's something heavy inside of this box, you guys. I don't want to shake it too hard and break all my snacks. You know, all my chips are just gonna get crushed in here. But there is something heavy inside. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like here. There's another straw. Ooh, I hope we get another tea. Last month we got one of these teas and it was delicious. It was a mango passion fruit blend. Oh, so good. I would definitely take another one of those. Let's just start with this. I gotta know, you guys. So we're gonna open this one up first. I know it's going to be a glass bottle. I'm assuming it's going with this straw here. However, it is in a different flavor than what we had last month. So this one is the black milk tea with jelly pearls. So there's no added sugar to this. The entire bottle is only 50 calories and it's really yummy. Because it is black tea, it's also going to have caffeine in it. So it's a natural caffeine that you're receiving. So this one mentions there's 0 sugar in it, 6 grams of net carbs. It's brewed from loose leaf tea and it says it's best served chilled and then shake it up before you drink it. So this is what it looks like. And then you are gonna get boba in there. You can kind of see them in it. Aren't they awesome? I love how squishy they are. But that's what's nice about receiving the straw with this is you can actually slurp up all of those little beads. It's just the best feeling, you guys. I can't describe it. You got to try it for yourself. But there's something so satisfying about slurping up all of the little jelly beads and then squishing them. And they're like pops of flavor. It's just super delicious. So I'm excited this is in our April box. That's great. We also have Kind inside of our April box. This is my favorite flavor as well. Oats and honey, and then it's got toasted coconut. It is so good. I can eat these any time of day. So we have a full-size snacking box. There are 5 bars inside of this box. It is all going to be gluten-free as well. So even though this is the original snacking box, you still will get some items that might be vegan or it might also be gluten-free. So I love that you're gonna get a variety of snacks regardless, but there's still gonna be healthy snacks too. Like for example, from Made Good, these. If I could ever endorse a brand, it would be this. I'm not sponsored whatsoever by Made Good, but I will tell you, I love these. So we have their full-size bag here. They're little oat balls, and they have chocolate chips inside of them. So not only do they taste amazing, it doesn't even taste like health food. That's how good it is. But they're very low calorie, and they're still going to give you a little bit of protein as well. So 10 pieces are 180 calories. And it's good calories for you because like I said, you get your oats in there. So it's also high quality ingredients. You're going to get some fiber as well. There's low sugar in here even. So they're just absolutely wonderful. Highly recommend these. This is a good box, you guys. I feel like I'm recommending everything, but I can't help it. I love good tasting snacks and those are definitely it. So the next one that I have in here is a full bag of potato chips. What? Apple cider vinegar chips. Ooh, I have never had apple cider chips before, but I will say I love a full-size snacking bag. These are also kosher and they're gluten-free. And then it mentions that it's cooked in 100% avocado oil. Next up, we have an energy smoothie and it's fruit punch flavored. So 5 grams of protein, no added sugar, and it has 100 milligrams of natural caffeine in this. So they didn't add the caffeine at all. There's only 80 calories in this entire bag. So this is going to be a fruit blend. So there's banana puree, there's apple juice, pineapple juice, strawberry juice in here as well, and then a little bit of orange juice. So you're getting all of the fruits in here, getting that caffeine, no added sugar, and then it's only 80 calories, which is awesome. This is what I love is that we can snack like normal and have good tasting snacks, but you're still getting products that have less sugar or no sugar and they're less calories. So it's a win-win all the way around. So the next box that I have in here are some crackers. This is flax and sea salt crackers. And there are Well, actually, I don't know how many crackers are in here. What I will tell you is they are non-GMO. They're all plant-based, and it says that they are baked crackers. So you could technically do a lot with these, like a charcuterie board even. It does show that they've got like apples, or is that a peach? Maybe that's a peach. Regardless, it looks delicious. I will take it. We have another bag. This is that popcorn. Okay, last month we had the popcorn that was margarita flavored. I ate that entire bag, you guys. It was so good. And the popcorn had a nice crunch to it, but it was also soft and fluffy the way popcorn should be. We have the bag back and it's a new flavor. I am so excited. This is Whiskey on the Pops. It's a Scotch whiskey infused caramel. What is with this brand? They are amazing. So it's called Eatable as the brand. I gotta look them up. But it says it's an air-popped whole grain popcorn that's coated in rich, smooth, and subtly sweet Scotch whiskey, but also infused with caramel and smoky notes. This will deliver a satisfying crunch. I have no doubt because, like I said, last month's bag was amazing. If you're needing a little bit more energy or caffeine, think of this bar. The bar itself is actually infused with 100 milligrams of caffeine. So this one is caramel almond sea salt flavor. It is better than an energy drink because you're getting protein inside of this bar along with the caffeine. So I have tried this before in different flavors. It 100% works. I am shocked, but I always feel a little bit of that caffeine boost afterwards. So then, I get my cleaning done faster around the house. I'm just like zooming over here. But this one has that 100 milligrams of caffeine. Then, like I said, it also has protein. The protein count on here is 10 grams of protein for this entire bar. Last up inside of our snack box for April, we have some gum in here. This is Simply Gum, and it is a spearmint flavor. I love spearmint. So this does not use any synthetic plastic in their gum base. Is there synthetic plastics? I didn't know that. It says instead we use a tree sap called chicle or chickly. So this one is all organic. It's organic raw cane sugar. Then there's also going to be this chickly base. And then spearmint oil, there's organic vegetable glycerin, and organic rice flour. It's all non-GMO and also vegan as well. I did not know that was a thing, but I am all for better products. So I'm really excited to try this out. I think this is going to be awesome. It definitely smells like spearmint gum right now. I don't even have to open up the box and I can smell the spearmint. But what a great way to end our snacking box and have a minty fresh moment. So that is everything inside of the April snacking box. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this month's box? I love this. So many amazing flavors, but I'm so excited that we're going to be able to try out the tea once again, and this popcorn is fantastic. You guys have got to try it. So until next time, have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!